I'm Susan. Today is day 3 of the Dephemerember, and our prompts for today is bright color and a journaling card. So I've got this scrapbook paper for my bright color, and I'm going to make a journaling card out of it, and I'm going to use elephant, and I got this teeny tiny little mouse, and I'm just going to see what I come up with. I'm going to try to keep it simple this time. This challenge is hosted by Barbara of 49 Dragonflies and Luise Heinzl. So be sure and check out their channels. I have them listed in my description box down below. These are the most talented ladies, and they're fun to watch. I always get a laugh when I watch their videos. And be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. I'll also have it listed. It'll be in my title as well as my description box. So without further ado, let's get started. here's my finished card, and I really love how it turned out. I think it's so fun. And here's my back, which is the journaling part, and I added the digital that Luise had made. And here's the page. I just added a little bit of greenery, and I added a tuck spot made with the same paper. And I love when you have a bright paper and you put it against a black background. It makes everything pop. So now I can just slide that in there, and I just made a fabric cluster with some of the things I had left from my belly band. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to check out Luise and Barbara's channels, and be sure to check out the hashtag Dephemerember. So until next time, bye y'all.